troubleshooting doors not sealing on an LG French door refrigerator. If the doors on your LG French door refrigerator do not close properly where the seals make contact, the unit will not be able to seal in the cold air.
The doors open and cold air escapes. Frost fills the freezer space.
This can prevent it from maintaining the proper temperatures and cause it to run more frequently. It can also lead to frost buildup. Let's troubleshoot the problem with the seals. First, check to make sure food items are not obstructing the doors from closing all the way.
A woman checks the shelves. She moves a gallon of milk from a top door shelf.
Check the door shelves for items sticking out that may obstruct the doors and rearrange them if needed.
Vegetables poke out the top of a bin.
Check the bins and make sure food items are not stopping them from closing. Rearrange if needed.
A tear shows on a corner of the door seal.
Now check if the door seals are torn or damaged. If this is the case, the seals will have to be replaced.
The woman studies her smartphone screen.
Please visit our Request a Repair page.
The LG web page appears.
Look all around the doors and make sure the seals are not dirty or sticky.
She dunks a cloth in soapy water.
Dirty or sticky seals must be cleaned. Use warm soapy water to clean them. Then rinse well with plain warm water. Do not use any abrasive chemicals as it will damage the seals and void the warranty. Wipe the seals dry when finished. Note that some French doors have a mullion flap.
A flap appears between the doors.
For these units, make sure the flap folds in when the door is opened and folds out when the door is shut so the door seals properly.
She pulls at the freezer drawer.
Now let's check the freezer.
A bag pokes out at the top of the drawer.
Once again, check to make sure food items are not obstructing the freezer drawer from closing all the way. Check the drawer shelves for items sticking out that may obstruct the drawer and rearrange if needed.
She slides out a drawer inside.
Check the bins and make sure food items are not stopping them from closing. Rearrange if needed.
She tugs gently on the drawer seals.
Check if the drawer seals are torn or damaged. If so, the seals will have to be replaced.
The woman taps her smartphone screen.
Look all around the drawer and make sure the seals are not dirty or sticky. If they are, they must be cleaned. Use warm, soapy water to clean them. Then rinse well with plain warm water.
The warranty document appears.
Do not use any abrasive chemicals as it will damage the seals and void the warranty. Wipe the seals dry when finished. With French door units, the freezer drawer can become misaligned over time, so perform a drawer alignment. To do this, empty the freezer and close the freezer drawer. Then open the freezer drawer and lift up slightly when it gets to the end of the track. Repeat the process 3 times. Your freezer drawer should now be aligned.
A level rests on the refrigerator.
Lastly, make sure the refrigerator is standing level from side to side and is tilted slightly back.
A wrench turns the adjustable feet beneath the refrigerator.
Refer to our video on leveling an LG refrigerator for step-by-step instructions.
LG.com/support. Twitter, Facebook, text message, email, phone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text. This video is produced solely for informational and instructional purposes and is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on use, setup and assembly, consult the owner's manual or any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying on information provided. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown. For instructional purposes, the device in the video may operate faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed or reproduced in whole or part without prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names and marks are the property of the respective owners.